What's up YouTube fam?
How you doing? How you doing? How you doing?
Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Candace, and today we're just going to do a super simple hairstyle, a little high bun with a swoop. The only reason why I decided to do this and to record it is because I saw the cutest girl on Instagram and she had her hair like this, and I was just like, ooh, that's cute. I want to try it. So I know y'all probably thinking like, y'all, it's simple, it's a bun with a swoop. But for the ones that know, you know, with natural hair, that swoop is going to be the hardest thing to do. It's going to be so hard to get that swoop to stay down. So that's the problem. That's where the hard work is going to come in at, okay? So I'm starting off on freshly cleaned hair. Bam. Okay. And if you watched my last video about how I put all of my hair into a high bun, and I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it, you would know that I always do my hair, if I'm trying to put it in a bun or a ponytail, on soaking wet hair, just because it's easier to manage, it's easier to lay down, it's just easier to get all up in that ponytail holder, okay? So first thing I'm going to do, I think, is I need to part the section that I want to be my swoop the whoop. Which way I want my swoop to go? This way, right? Yeah. Child, I don't even know how to part this. I don't even know where to start. Oh, well, that's the start. Got me looking like a black version of Debbie Thornberry. Alright, I'm gonna stop fooling with y'all. Okay, let me do this swoop.
Yeah, you could bet your chips. Open wish and lose it all so quick these days. Yeah, this the gift mama gave me. Yeah, this the way daddy raised me. And when I get stressed, I just remember I'm blessed. Ain't no complaining, I ain't changing. I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain.
Alright, I think that's it. Okay, I think this is the swoop I want. Child, hopefully I'll be able to slick it back though. That's the thing. Okay, so this is how I parted it. Got a little bit out here, then a square, and then some more. So I'm just going to twist this out the way so I can put my hair into a ponytail. Alright, so now that I have my part out the way, I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail, a high bun. And I got me some Wetline, y'all. Yeah, I'm so excited. I got my Wetline back. So now I gotta put the rest of this, woo child. I gotta put the rest of this into a bun.
Catch up to you. All I can be is authentic. You gon' get the truth. It's the truth. Hey, I ain't really got no blame. I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I ain't really pop no tags. Really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it. That's the truth. Got it. I got it. Yes, I do.
Child, who need an arm workout when you can just put your hair in a freaking ponytail? Ooh, Lord. Alright. So now I gotta put this thing in a bun. And hers is like kind of big and kind of loose like, which I have to do because usually my buns be like tight, like ballerina buns. But I guess this is good. Shoot, is the bun too big for the camera? And I'm just getting some Bobbi Pins and pinning this up.
I don't wear no chain. You know when you see me around town, let me do my thing. I don't really pop no tags. Really got no swag. But if you need something, I probably got it in my Louis. I got it. That's the truth. Got it.
Y'all, let me scoop down some. Y'all, I just don't think, I don't like the way these big buns look on me. Like, now you know how you see everybody on Instagram or whatever, and they have the super tall big buns. I just don't think it look right on me. Sorry y'all, I got something in my eye. Alright, so now that I got the bun out the way, hun, it's time to work on this side swoop. The swoop, the whoop whoop. I like saying that. The swoop, the whoop whoop. Okay, so the key to this swoop is going to be Bobbi Pins, a lot of Bobbi Pins, gel, that got to be freeze spray, and a blow dryer. So this is how I want it to lay. So let me go ahead and start just applying the gel so I can get this swoop action going. and brushing it in so it can be on every strand. Ah, no, not my bun. Dang it. Okay. Okay. Gel, gel, gel it down, y'all. Gel it down. Okay, so this is where I want it. Should I bobby pin this? I don't know. See, like, this is the part. I don't know what to do with this. What do I do with this? I don't know. Child, this is where you gotta use your brain cells. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? Okay, I'm gonna put it. Ugh. No, is that too much of a swoop? Ain't even really swooping. I guess I need to, like, basically just like mold this to my forehead. Oh, this is a lot of gel. Oh, I look like somebody mama from the 90s. Alright, I need to try to bobby pin this because I gotta figure out what to do with this. I'm gonna put it behind my ear. And I'm gonna bobby pin it right there. Okay. It's not giving me as much swoop action as I wanted, but I guess it's okay. So now I'm gonna get this, my Got To Be Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm about to blast this thing, okay? I'm about to blast it. Oh, I'm scared. Don't ask me what I'm scared of, I just am. Okay. And then I'm gonna take my comb. So with my little tail or whatever, I don't know what else to do with it. So I'm just gonna pin it to the back and try to pin it into the bun. Cause I mean, what else can you do with it? Nothing. And because I got this little tail in the back or whatever, I feel like I would only want to do this to like take pictures. I wouldn't want to go out because I feel like all them pins in the back make it not be cute. So hers was cuter, but it's alright. I feel like I don't know. Like I said, so I see stuff and I think it look cute on other people, but then when I try to do it, I'm like, this ain't looking too cute. All right, so let me go ahead and put some heat on this thing. Okay, so I just looked in like my other mirror to see, like, so I can get a real good look. And what I think she cute. She cute. I just feel like I need to make my bun smaller. Like, I just don't like the way big buns look on me. I need to make this a little bit smaller. So I'm about to pin this bad boy. I gotta look at my other mirror. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and I like it a little bit more now that I made it smaller. I feel like it's giving me a pea head again. Like, y'all, I used to have like a little face, and I don't really got it no more, but this is giving me that look like I got it. I guess updos just do that to your face. It just slim you. But I'm gonna take the rest of this Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm just gonna do the rest of my little bun or whatever. Y'all, with this style, I feel like I need some hoops and a Juicy Couture sweatsuit so I can be like back in the late 90s, early 2000s. Like, that's what I really feel like with this hairstyle. But it's cute, she cute, we cute. Anyway, guys, this is it. This was a super short video. I just wanted to try it. I mean, we're in quarantine. I ain't got nothing else to do but play with my hair, so that's what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video if you care. And I'll see you next time. Bye.